but I think I may have found the perfect zero turn tire. Hey everyone, Dave from Repairs Rule. So spring has sprung here and we've been mowing. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about an issue that I used to have, and I've taken care of that. So what the issue is here, I'm on a slope, and this slope is steep enough that if it gets any dew on the grass or anything, my zero turn, when I make the turns while I was mowing, it would slide on the hill. So I couldn't keep my line straight or anything like that, and I was having to do a lot of circling, recutting, and all that type of thing. So my zero turn had turf saver tires on it, which is a common tire. A lot of people use them. And that tire, even though it won't tear up your turf, it slides around a lot. So I looked into the heavy cleated tractor style tires, big heavy cleats, and I'll put pictures here so you can see the turf saver, and then again the tractor style heavy tread. So anyway, neither one was going to work well for me, but I think I may have found the perfect zero turn tire. So this tire that I'm going to show you, it's a combination of the two. I'm going to bring my zero turn around here. We're going to flip the camera around. I'll show you exactly what I have. Very impressed with this tire. In fact, I used to sell tires years ago, and there's not a perfect tire for just about any application. This may not be a perfect tire, but I'll tell you what, it's not far from it. So let me get my tractor out here. We'll swing this around and let me show you what I have. Okay, so here's the tire that I'm speaking of. This is the Maristar, and this is called the Turf Traction tire. And as you can see, it's a combination tire. Along the sides, inside and outside, is the Turf Saver design, and in the middle of the tire is the heavier duty tractor cleat style. So this does not tear up my yard as I make my turns, or very little. It doesn't slide very much at all, just a little, but not nearly like the other tire, the Turf Saver, did. So I'm going to shoot a couple real quick, fast clips in here showing you the kind of hill that I'm on to give you an idea. One along the side of my house, and then also one where I'm coming up the side of the hill and then making a sharp left turn, and you'll see that the tire doesn't slide down the hill. It stays, keeps its line. So very impressed with this tire. This tire that I have is a 24 by 12 is the size. They do make it in other sizes. And of course, I will put the links in the description below so you can go see this tire. Highly recommend that you check this thing out. It surprised me. It works very well. Exceeded my expectations for sure. And as many of you know, I don't sugarcoat anything. I tell it exactly the way I see it. Highly recommend for zero turn. Probably will work fine on other tractors too, but I'm really impressed with this. While I'm speaking of this, another improvement that I made to this tractor, and I have a video on that, which I will link up here somewhere, is my suspension seat. I'm going to flip this around here just to give anybody that's new here an idea of what I did to the seat. I'm not going to spend any time on it, but I just want to give you an idea. Since I already have a video about the installation of this, this suspension underneath the seat is adjustable from the front. And if I flip around here and raise this up, you will see the double springs under here. Made a huge difference in the ride of this zero turn. So if that interests you, check out that video on my suspension seat. And also, if you like this type of content, please, of course, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and we really appreciate your support. So here's a little better idea of the tread on this tire. Let me flip to this other side. It's a little clearer. You can see the Turf Saver and then in the middle, the heavier cleat. Really surprised me. Works great, and highly recommend that you check them out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.